Welcome to CarCraft, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today we're diving into the stunning 2026 Audi S5. This sleek and powerful machine continues Audi's tradition of delivering exceptional performance wrapped in a sophisticated package. Let's break down what makes the 2026 S5 a standout in the luxury sports coupe market. The exterior design. The 2026 Audi S5 commands attention with its bold and aerodynamic design. Audi has refined the S5's signature styling, featuring a larger, more pronounced single-frame grille, sharper LED headlights, and aggressive air intakes. The sloping roofline and sculpted side panels highlight its coupe elegance, while new alloy wheel designs and color options like Glacier White and Mythos Black give it a modern edge. The subtle S-line badging and quad exhaust tips are a testament to its sporty character. Interior luxurious. Step inside the 2026 S5, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that epitomizes luxury and technology. Premium materials, including fine Napa leather and aluminum trim, create an inviting atmosphere. The driver-focused cockpit features Audi's latest MMI touch display, now upgraded to 12.3 inches with seamless integration of navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Ambient lighting with customizable colors, a Bang & Olufsen sound system, and heated sport seats ensure every drive feels special. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi S5 is powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, producing an impressive 349 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission, it delivers seamless shifts and exhilarating acceleration. Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures unmatched grip and confidence, whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway. The S5's adaptive suspension provides a perfect balance of comfort and dynamic handling, making it equally suitable for daily commutes and spirited drives. Advanced technology. The 2026 Audi S5 is packed with cutting-edge technology to enhance your driving experience. The Virtual Cockpit Plus display offers customizable views, including performance metrics and navigation. Audi Connect services keep you connected on the go, while driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras add an extra layer of safety and convenience. Sustainability meets performance. Audi is stepping into the future with sustainability in mind. The 2026 S5 incorporates lightweight construction techniques and more eco-friendly manufacturing processes, ensuring it remains a responsible choice without compromising performance or luxury. Final thoughts. The 2026 Audi S5 is a masterpiece of design, engineering, and technology. Whether you're looking for a thrilling performance coupe or a luxurious daily driver, the S5 delivers on all fronts. It's a car that perfectly balances power, elegance, and modern innovation. Stay tuned to CarCraft for more in-depth reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Audi S5. Is it the ultimate luxury sports coupe? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.